Stop work. Stop work. Yes, the school, let me have your sheets. Yes, the leader, bring your sheets. Yes, North Star. North Star, sorry. Yeah, this is for Ayisha. Okay, audience, it will be very important for you to see what they have presented on the paper. I don't want to give marks, then you say that I've cheated your school. So, leaders of each of the school. Northern Star, who is the leader here? Yeah, go to the board, go to the next. How are they going to write now? One school climb the chair. Or push it. Okay, so yes, the leader of Ayisha Memorial. Present your solution on the board so that we look at it critically and what it is.
Copy from the paper.
No, yeah, you are copying from what you did. You are not solving your own thing now.
So
Copy exactly what you have on the paper. You are doing a different thing, eh? It shouldn't be different from what you have on the paper. Yeah, copying exactly what is on the paper on the board. You are done. Okay. Yes, Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at the solution on the board. Here we have been given fractions. That is 2 whole number 1 on 3 multiplying 4 on. So what we are expecting them to do first is to change the mixed fractions to, and then I think the two sides of that, that's when you change the mixed fraction of 2 on 3, you will get, that is 7 on 3. If you're able to do that successfully, you get 2 marks for that. And then when you come back to that of the 1 whole number 1 on 3 and change that one to 3 on 2 successfully, you get 2 marks on that. And I think the two schools did that one excellently over there. Then from there, you should have the idea that there are 2 sets, one multiplying and the other one dividing, but there's a division sign between them, so you solve them separately. So the first one, you multiply the 7 by the 8 and then the 3 by the 15, you get 28 over 15. Then when you come to the other side, remember it's dividing, so you change the other side of the addition to what? You change the sign to multiplication sign and change the fraction over there. And then if you succeed in doing that, you get 2 marks. And finally, when you work out everything, and then the final answer, you'll be arriving at 144 when divided by this. But we expect that you change the result back to what? A mixed fraction. So when you do all these things, you are expected to get 50 marks. So I want us to all look at that of the nodding star. Nodding star succeeded in changing the mixed fraction to 7 over 2, all right? And they changed that of the 1 whole number 1 over 2 also to 3 on 2. In each case, they are 2 marks each. But after that, I think they multiply the left hand side and they get a 28 on the 15. Right. By then, I don't know where they are getting the 1 over 4, where the 1 over 4 is coming from, dividing the 28 over 19. I think that is where they had the whole thing wrong from. So on that note, I think they have 2, 2, 2, 2. That is 6. 6 out of 15. So they are 6 out of 15 mark. Oh, put your hands together for them. They have done well. Then we come to Ayisha Memorial. I don't know whether what they have on the paper over here. I just want to lick it. It's exactly what they have on the board. They succeeded in changing the 2 mixed fractions. So 7 on 3 and then 3 on 2. 2, 2 each. Then they went ahead, multiplied the 7, 4, 3, 5 to get a 28, 15, 2 mark for that. And then the other side of it, they succeeded in 1 on 4, multiplying 2 on 3. What is the other 2 on 3 doing over there? 2 on 12 doing over there. Come again, but let me come down and see what they are doing. So 7 multiplying 4, and then 3 multiplying 5, 28. Now 2, 3, no. Where from the 3? I think you had it wrong from there. So the fact that you are able to get your 7 on 3, your 3 on 2, and able to multiply 7 by 4, and then 3 by 5 to get a 28, I think you would have had this thing. But, ladies and gentlemen, what I have on the paper over here is not what he has presented on the board. Yeah, what he has on the paper over here, he moves a bit ahead of this thing. That's what I mark over here. I just want you to, I don't want to be biased over here. On the paper, they didn't, it's a group work that they did. And one person went to present it. So whatever she has done, they cannot nullify what is on the paper. So I'm going by the paper over here. So on the paper, she succeeded in multiplying the 3 by, how do you call it? The 3 by and the 4 by, he succeeded in changing the position of the 3 and the 2. Are you with me, everybody? And then when he changed it, he multiplied it to get the 2 on 12. I think when you change it, the 2 will go up, the 3 will come down. So you get 2 on 12 over there. You had the 2 on the 12, which is also 2 mark. Okay, then he succeeded in now multiplying the 12 by the 12 to get 144, and then the 15 by 1. But that is where you lock up. So on my paper, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 out of 15.
Yeah, so what is the final answer?
The final answer is supposed to be 11 whole number 1 on 5. Now we go to the last round, the general knowledge. Please, we are expected to go on break, but time is against, so no break. Let's just finish it up and then we close. So round last. Now, can we continue, please? Okay. Knowledge star, you take the first question. General knowledge. Now, the first stage, I'm going to give you a name of a country. Then you provide the capital town of that country. So, no, I'll give you the capital and give me the country that has that capital. You understand me? Okay, so we move. Northern Star. Tripoli. Libya for 3 points. Ayisha Memorial. Bamako. Mali for 3 points. Northern Star. Libreville. Gabon for 3 points. Lusaka. No, please. No, please. Yes, for bonus. No, please. Audience, yes. Zambia. Yes, your major. Freetown. Sierra Leone. Your major. Are you taking note of that? Now, Kampala. Uganda. Now, the next stage. Okay, thank you. The next stage. This time around, I'm going to give you a country. Then you give me the name of the president of that country. Your major person. Northern Star. Cameroon. Who is the president?
Paul Biya.
Come again.
Paul Biya.
Paul Biya for 3 points. Ayisha, Egypt. Northern Star.
Mohamed Mercy.
Mohamed who? Messi. Oh no, yes. The audience. Truly speaking, I don't even also know this, but it's on the paper. Honestly, you ask me, I also score 0. Yes, but who can help us here? Audience, yes.
Mohamed El-Sisi.
Mohamed what?
El-Sisi.
No, the name I have here is Abdul Fattah el-Sisi. I think that's correct. Oh, okay. Put your hands together for me. Yeah, Major, who is going? Major, yes, you. Northern Star. Gambia. Yes, Ayisha. No, we can't blame you because these things, honestly speaking. Yes, can we have teachers? Can we have? Yaya Jamal. Okay, that's correct. Put your hands together for our teacher. Yaya. Yes, who is coming? Yes, Ayisha Memorial. Your turn. Sudan. Sudan. Yes, you don't know it. Yes. Northern Star. Yes.
Muhammad Abdelaziz.
Oh no. Yes.
Umar al-Bashir.
Umar who?
Al-Bashir.
No. Uganda. Eh? Oh, well, I said, yeah. You are correct. Correct. Okay, yeah. You see, you are better than me. I can't see. Now, yeah, your major. Uganda. And for this one, I also know it. Yes. Okay, yes. Oh, okay, yes, audience. Uganda, who is that person? Yes. That's correct, for no point. Yes, your major. Zambia. I think that one, everybody here should know this man. Zambia. Oh, sorry, did I say Zambia? No, sorry, Zimbabwe. Yeah, Zimbabwe, yes. Oh, silence, please. Yes. Okay, no idea. Yes, Northern Star.
Joseph Mugabe.
Joseph? Is Joseph attached to his name? No, I won't give it to you.
Robert.
No. You can't correct this thing. So it's what?
Robert
It's Robert, not Joseph. So I will not give you that. So it's Robert Mugabe. Now we move to the next thing. Yes, take your question. Northern Star. This time round, I'm going to give you the name of a festival in the country. Then you tell me the people in the country who celebrate that festival. How that is clear. So now, take your question, your major question. Ayisha. No, not this star. Okay. Pardon me, some of the words here will not go by my tongue. So, Ohun. Is it Ohun? Ohun. You know it. Social studies master. Ohun. Yes. Ohun. Oh, Ohun. Yes. No idea. Okay, yes, Ohun. Come again. Alos. Oh, no. No, Agros, not Agros. Yes.
Ahantes.
Which Ahantes? Oh, no Ahantes. Yes, which go? Oh, not, Akins. It's celebrated by Akins. Now, let's go to your major. Who? Ayisha Memorial. Yam Festival. No, not dance. No, not a dance. Yes, no, not people of Nzima, yes. No, not people of Bono, yes. Yeah, no, that group of not all Airways, yes. No, not Airways, yes, not all Airways. No, people of who traditional people of who, yeah. Young festival. So, come again. The ones. Are you a vegetarian? The ones. Oh, but what are the people who, what? How do you call it?
They are section.
That is already so who is correct. Yeah. But okay, let's go ahead. Yes, now we go ahead. Major. In fact, Bugum. Is it Bugum? Bugum. Bugum. Yes. This book. Yeah, Bugum. The Dagombes. Yes, your major. The Beng, eh? B-E-N-G. Beng. Oh, Bang. Okay, bang. Gonjes. That's correct. Yes, for 3 points. Yes, you. Chocho. Okay, I'll give it to you. I think the pronunciation, the same thing I was also saying is the Anglo people. That one is not Anglo. It's the Anglo people. Okay, so now let's move ahead. Now your major. Fetu. Or Fetu. Okay, Fetu festival. No, not Gans. No, not Inzimas. No. Yes.
Accounts.
Oh, not accounts. Bonus. It's one attempt, so that's so we move ahead. Now, the next stage. Is it bonus or the Ogwa people? I mean, Kekos. Yeah, so let's go. Now, which region, the next stage, you are taking your major. Which region can the following tourist sites in Ghana be located? You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay, so major goes to Northern Star. Am I right? Shire Hill. In which region can we get Shire Hill? No, please. It's Buta region. Okay. Yes, you. Greater Accra region. That's a bonus of 1. Take your major now. Take your major. Elmina Castle. Central region. Now take your major. Northern Star. Mullet National Park. Northern region. Yes, take your major. Lake Boson Tree. Ashanti region. Yes, take your major. What is it? Wechao, Hippopotamus Central. Greater Accra, no.
Western region.
No. Stop playing cha-cha here. Yes, you. No, not Eastern. Yes. Upper West region. Yes. Your last question. Yes. Bleed waterfall. Voter region for 3 points. Now we move to the last part of this competition. Now I am going to give you a ministry. Give the name of a ministry. Now you tell me the minister heading that ministry. Are you with everybody? Okay. Now, Northern Star. Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology, and Innovation. Who is the head there? No, it's not true. No. Yes. No idea. Okay. Yes. Mahama Ayariga. Now you take your major. Ministry of Education. Correct for 3 points. Let's take your major. Ministry of Youth and Sports. Ministry of Youth and Sports. Yes, a bonus. No idea, yes. Oh, you took your time. You are right. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the two. Yes, your major. Your major. Yeah, so it went here. Your major, Ministry of Health. Health. Ministry of Health. No idea. They are shaking their head. So can you help them? Who? No, not Kwesiadima. Take your time. No, I won't call any of you. Yes, from behind. Yes, you. Who? No, that's not true. Okay, you. No. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, we have come to the end of today's competition.
Whilst you are completing your master,
Okay.
one of the festivals you mentioned, celebrated by the Bonios, I think it's pronounced Den, but not Ben.
Okay, I said that I have problem with them. So I was asking that.
No, I support you.
Okay.
Because in the books, most of the books they write Ben, but
Ben.
it's not Ben. It's
But what
Ben.
is what is here is Ben.
Yes,
It's not
exactly.
Ben.
I don't dispute what
Okay.
So
it's okay. So you are correcting it. So the spelling again D, not B.
Yeah. It's
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have you heard? The word is Den, not Ben.
Exactly.
Have you heard? Okay. Thank you very much, Master. Okay, so let's do the Now, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of okay. Masters with their mark. Can you bring your mark so that we cross check before I announce it? Masters from the two schools. That's what I want to say. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, confirm. Round 5. Northern Star, 21 points. Ayisha Memorial, 22 points. 21, 22. Okay. On that note, Madam MC, come and take over before we finally give out the total and declare the winner for today's competition.
Hello. Hi. Hello. We are wrapping up. Almost finished. And we want to just say a few things before we announce the results. Because we know that when the results is announced, we might not be able to get everyone again. So we thank everyone so much, especially to a greater height. You hosted us. The rain nearly destroyed the whole program, but you were able to come in and then had a different arrangement altogether. So we are really, really grateful. Thank you very much. Tomorrow will be your turn. So we are hoping that wherever we have it, this warm reception that you've given to us, to be at work, Rita, we'll have it tomorrow morning. Northern Star. So we come into your place. So we are hoping that as this have received us, well, you do the same. Even if a storm will be coming, we'll still get a place tomorrow to complete the competition and then go for the finals. So RealSmart competition. Our aim is not just to get winners from the various schools, but we want to create a platform where students can meet, share ideas, learn and all that, not just only in the classroom. Probably the Northern Star and then Ayisha Memorial never met like this. But this is an opportunity for us to meet, make friends, and then learn as well. Some of the questions that we couldn't answer, the answers were provided, and then we learned. That could help us. In fact, the last week competition that we had, one of the questions came in the BC, the one that they just wrote.
Yeah, the fraction.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a learning platform. Whoever comes out victorious, it's not that you know more than the other, but maybe at this point you were lucky. And we don't want anyone to feel that they have lost. And so they are not being friends with the other school. No, that's not it. Our aim is not to create rivalry among schools, but to create a platform where we can come together, learn, and then make friends as well. And this is just the beginning. We hope to continue this competition next academic year. So if you happen to win, what you do is on the 11th, we'll have the finals. We have Tamale International. Today, whichever school wins, and then tomorrow we'll have the finals on the 11th at the stadium. But the other schools which took part, I don't know the winner yet for today, and then the loser. So those who will lose and then synergy will still have to come to the stadium on the 11th for their certificate for taking part. So you can come in your numbers, not just only the participants, but the teachers and the students can come on the 11th as well. Thank you very much. We are really, really grateful. I'll call on Mr. Anaba, who is the director, supervisor for Northern Star. Give us the closing prayer. Thank you.
Can we all stand up for Our Father in heaven, we just want to say thank you for the day, thank you for the dream that you have shown us on earth. Thank you for this program, thank you for our lives. We believe that all that we have done here, it is your mind. That we will be able to end this successfully. As we depart here, we are praying that Father, you guide all of us and send us back home. So the next time when we meet, we'll give glory to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Even though we have closed, but we still have to get the results. So please let's hear from the quiz master.
Ladies, before we declare the final decision, the master here wants to give us want to hear something from a master before we...
Thank you very much. I have a concern, and the concern is about the outlines you give to us. We are preparing our students towards that. But it's like, from the look at things, the questions which came out today, there were some which were off content. So, especially, the students were told to determine the a number of atoms of certain compounds, of which it is treated under chemistry, and that was not given inside the thing. So I will advise and also put it to check that for us. So that's my submission.
Thank you very much for that. Okay. You also have another case.
Okay, also on the part of the mathematics, you ask question which regards, quantity sharing, that is ratio and proportion, but it wasn't part.
Yeah. Come again?
It wasn't part, ratio and proportion.
It's not part of what you were given.
That is it.
Okay, we'll look at it. Thank you very much. Ratio and proportion is not part.
Yes, it wasn't part of the discussion.
So in short, what I have to add is that next time or next academic year when it is organized and course content is going to be given out, there should be specifics. And if there are no specifics, we should be given a limit that from this place to this place. But sometimes you make it example, this. It is very open. Okay, so if you are not given a limit, we don't know where to start and where to end, even though we are preparing them. So I think next time we should have a limit, start from this place, end at this place.
Thank you very much. Well taken. Thank you very much. Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Yeah, I want to seek some clarification. It's like the rules were given on the question of the day, the problem of the day. It stated that they will have 15 minutes to work it and then 3 minutes to submit it. But here the quizmaster said 5 minutes. So I don't know what's happening.
Yeah,
was it communicated to them?
Yeah, good. Thank you very much. This particular question that is said. Okay. I think you have more, eh?
Yes.
So then you kill my time.
There were 1 or 2 questions which you gave some answers, which we also had different views of the answers.
Yes.
So I think if you go back, you sit down and look at them very well.
Concerning which question? I mean, which area?
Phobia and one
the computers. The computer phobia for computers. Okay. You know that's not my area. A consultant did those in what? We understand you. We understand. So we have to approach the consultant again because we are not a computer. So that is okay.
And one you said he waited in the queue for years before.
Okay, that one
is
a literature question.
Different high price. You said it was wrong.
So yeah, you know we have a consultant who provided the questions in those areas. So those I'm not a literature man, so I cannot say.
So as time goes on,
yeah, I think so. Whatever it is, I think we'll look at it. Thank you very much. And all concerns are taken, well taken. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen. I think we'll look at it critically, and then I think this is just the beginning. So things of this nature are likely to happen. So madam, you will not have to give any. Master, having something to say? No, Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you so much for today's competition, teachers, students. And our hosts, you have done very well. In fact, it's not every school that will allow people to come and distract their teaching and learning activity. But the fact that you understand that this is also part of learning, and then you allow people to come in, and I think for that we need to thank you very much for that, Madam. I don't know the name. Diana. And then thank you so much for giving us the chance to organize it. Ladies and gentlemen, today's competition between Ayisha Memorial and Northern Star. At the end of the 5 rounds, the total score goes this way. The calculation
is missing.
This thing happened to John Hammer. Okay, at the end of the 5 rounds, Ayisha Memorial first round 24 points against 38 points. Northern Star, Ayisha Memorial 19 points against 31 points. Ayisha Memorial 20 against 34. And then Ayisha Memorial 22 against 21 for the last round. And then problem of the day, which they did very well, taking 12 against 6. The total for Ayisha is 97 points against 130 points for Northern Star. 130 points for Northern Star. Good. So, Ayisha Memorial, honestly speaking, you have done very well. And I want to thank you so much for taking part in this activity. We expect that next time we organize something like this, we go and prepare very well and come and knock Northern Star down. Northern Star, thank you for winning this competition and moving to the next stage, which will be on the 11th of this month. We pray that you go and prepare very well because it's likely that the rest of the school that will be winning will also be tough like you. So don't go and sit down. These people, see the way they are providing answers. I will advise you, go and then hammer your head very well. I want you to meet them. Yeah. So thank you very much for that. All of you, thank you for being here.
Okay.